Hello guys, welcome back to Pentesters Club. Today we're going to solve another tutorial name called a S3 Scan. So what is this a S3 Scan? A powerful for S3 bucket security scanner designed for a penetration testing and bug bounty hunting. So this tool automatically detects the misconfiguration and security vulnerabilities in AWS S3 bucket. So what are the main features we can get here? So the main features we can get here like compressive security testing and multiple input formats and permission testing and batch processing and scan a multiple buckets from STDIN input and colorized output and detail for a reporting. So in security tests, what it may be can be performed here. So bucket existence check verifies if S3 bucket is exist or not and identify non-exist bucket that could be a client also. It will also list the permissions, either it can be read or write also or modify also. So this S3 scan is more information disclosure and data exposure also. So also we would like to look like upload permissions, like test if a file can be uploaded to the bucket, identifies a writable bucket, and a malicious file upload and detects and hosting a malware also it can be done. And we can also look like a delete a permissions, test if a object can be a delete from the bucket and detects a bucket with a delete permissions also. And we can also take over the detection like identify non-existence buckets that can be climbed, test multiple AWS reasons. So if you want to read and write, you required AWS a particular reason, uh, uh, access key and a secret key, API key and secret key. It's mandatory. And it will also test multiple reasons and opportunities. And you can also do subdomain takeover and brand impressions impersonation also. Let's we would like to look here how this is going to be built here. uh, let's we would like to open the terminal. Let's come back here. So this is the simple S3 bucket. So just try to copy, come back, you just type here as a git clone and paste this repository. Now we just go to here as S3 tk. Now just type here as a clear list minus al. Now our main target is we would like to utilize here. Let's come back here. We try here as go build output. I would like to give as a S3 scan main.go. That's it. We would like to utilize only the S3 scan dot this one. So it was built that successfully. Now just look here as list minus L S3 scan. So you can also give a permission chmod plus x uh, S3 scan. So you have given the permission. So even if you would like to get like a sudo move S3 scan, I don't like to move this one. I just need to just try to copy. That's better. S3 scan user local and win. Enter your password. That was done. Now you just need to try here. Let you would like to go here as S3 scan minus minus help. Uh, we just need to utilize our own targeted URL. Let's we would like to utilize in this case uh, uh, let's I would like to utilize here as we would like to utilize here as echo uh, Tesla. Then let me just go here as a S3 scan. That's it. uh, it will look here, scan a bucket of Tesla, checking bucket existence. So it is exist. Testing a list permissions. It's a secure and testing upload permissions. It's secure. So We can see here all. Testing buckets is scan 1. Vulnerability buckets is found 0. Takeover opportunities is 0. Secure bucket is 1. So it's quite good. Now, we would like to try with another one. Let's come back here. Now, uh, if you have a list of buckets, you can write your own list of buckets. I would like to write here as nano uh, buckets.txt. Now, I would like to write here as a Tesla, now Hyundai, uh, Maruti, Swift, uh, GPI, Google, Finance, Crypto, API, uh, Bug Bounty, then Bug Crowd, Try Hack Me, Hack the Box. So, quite enough now. Now, you would like to write here. I would like to use a multiple things. So I would like to utilize here as cat buckets.txt. Then let's just try here as a S3Scan. That's it. Now, checking a bucket existence, it's secure. Now, it will checking here. So you can find here which one is existence and which one is not existence. So there is a Hyundai. It does not existence of the bucket. You may can get a vulnerable of anything, and you may can get a bounty also for this. Now we have tested this one. Let We would like to try to test in another cases. Now let's try to come back here. Now we have tested some of random S3 buckets. So whatever you like. Now we would like to try with as a backups. So look here. Scan results. Vulnerable buckets is found, secure buckets is true, takeover opportunities is true. So we have got a somewhat results also that quite good. Now we just try here as a echo. Now we would like to put here as a company backups. Otherwise, we would like to utilize here as a WhatsApp backups. Then let's just put here as a S3 scan. Now we would like to look here this one. Total buckets is scan 1. Uh, bucket Checking bucket existence. So there is available this one, and it was fully secure. So you cannot able to get a read or write permissions without their own API keys. If you get their own API keys, you can manipulate what else you require. So you can check regardless of your bug bounty program of the targeted company. Now we would like to look here as backups, then uh, finance uploads. We would like to look here. It was existence, but cannot able to get output. Now let we would like to look here, clear this. So uh, we would like to utilize here as now a subfinder. So utilizing a subfinder, we would like to also get our S3 buckets of that one subdomains. We would like to check And what else over there? Anything was hidden in the S3 buckets. We can also find that. So we would like to utilize here as subfinder. Our domain is airasia.com. I would like to utilize anything else, grep. So you can try your own -I for a S3. Then we would like to utilize here as a S3Scan. That's it. Now, first, it will get the subfinder, then it will check the S3 scanner, and this will perform either this is existence, it is vulnerable, everything. It will be detected. We would like to wait for this. So, this may take a lengthy time process automatically. Found 891 subdomains in the AirAsia. That will not going to be displaced anything. No S3 buckets is going to be found here. Now, if you try that one, you not it get. Now, you can try with the tryhackme.com. Now, this will also will take a little bit lengthy time process also. It take a lengthy time process. Uh, no valid of S3 buckets URL is found in the input. That's it here. So we are not going to be getting with the subdomains here. So even you can utilize like getting like a going with the uh, let's consider with amos, otherwise any other things utilize with this one, including with the way back urls, etc things. You may can get it here. That's it. So you try it your own, guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling.